dear students. Welcome to Avid Education Academy, your one-stop destination for fun and easy learning. Today we are going to understand a very interesting topic from Class 9 Science, changes of state of matter. Let's begin. Every day around us, matter keeps changing its form. Ice turns into water, water turns into steam, and sometimes you'll even notice certain solids vanish into the air. These changes are called changes of state. When matter changes from one physical state to another, solid, liquid, and gas. Let's understand each one in detail with real-life examples. 1. Melting. Melting is the process in which a solid changes into a liquid. A very simple example is ice turning into water. When we heat a solid, its particles gain energy and begin to vibrate faster. Eventually, they break out of their fixed positions and move freely, and the solid becomes a liquid. Melting point is the temperature at which a solid melts. For ice, the melting point is 0 degrees Celsius. समझने के लिए सोचो, अगर आप आइस को धूप में छोड़ दें, तो वो धीरे धीरे पिघलकर पानी बन जाता है. Dough. Freezing. Freezing is just the opposite of melting. It is the process where a liquid turns into a solid when cooled. For example, water in an ice tray kept in a freezer turns into ice cubes. This happens when the water loses energy and its particles slow down and lock into fixed positions. Freezing point of water is also 0 degrees Celsius. जैसे पानी जमकर बर्फ बनता है, यह प्रोसेस फ्रीजिंग कहलाता है. 3. Evaporation. Evaporation is the process where a liquid turns into gas without boiling. It happens mostly from the surface of the liquid. A good example is wet clothes drying in the sun. Water particles gain heat from sunlight and escape into the air as water vapor. Evaporation depends on 4 factors: temperature, ज़्यादा गर्मी, ज़्यादा evaporation, surface area, ज़्यादा एरिया मतलब जल्दी सूखना, विंड, हवा चलने से evaporation तेज होता है, ह्यूमिडिटी, अगर हवा ऑलरेडी मॉइस्ट है तो evaporation स्लो होगा. So evaporation is not just about heat, it's about environment too. 4. Condensation. Condensation is the opposite of evaporation. It is the process where a gas turns back into liquid on cooling. A perfect example: when steam touches a cold surface, it turns into tiny water droplets. Another example is the dew on grass early in the morning. जब भाप ठंडी होकर पानी में बदलती है, ये प्रोसेस कंडेंसेशन कहलाता है. 5. Sublimation. अब यहाँ कुछ विशेष आता है. Sublimation. Sublimation is the process where a solid changes directly into gas, skipping the liquid stage. The best examples are naphthalene balls and camphor, kapoor. They slowly disappear when left in open air. Because they don't melt, they directly become vapors. इसका मतलब कुछ solids बिना liquid बने ही gas में बदल जाते हैं और इसे कहते हैं sublimation. Let's quickly recap. Melting, solid to liquid, ice to water. Freezing, liquid to solid, water to ice. Evaporation, liquid to gas, drying clothes. Condensation, gas to liquid, steam to water. Sublimation, solid to gas, naphthalene balls. All these changes happen because of heat, either gaining it or losing it. That's it for today's class, my dear students. I hope you understood these changes of state with the help of examples and a few fun facts. If you found this lesson helpful, like this audio, subscribe to Avid Education Academy, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing. This is your science teacher signing off. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.